Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use Expedia Corporate Travel Account. So to use an Expedia Corporate Travel Account, you have to go to one of your web browser and then enter Expedia TAAP tab.com. And then if you have already an account, you can just simply tap and join now. And if you don't have already existing account, you can just simply sign in. Now, if you have already existing account for Expedia TAAP, you can just simply log into your Expedia TAAP portal and then make sure the Expedia TAAP black banner is at the top of the page to guarantee bookings are tracked and commissioned. Now search for hotels, flights, or car rentals as usual. You can use the Keep Me Signed In box for convenience, but ensure no personal booking is done without signing out if necessary. The next what you can do is you can use this Expedia Corporate Travel Account through Expedia Group Partner Central. You can just simply access to a Partner Central and then manage inventory, review competitive insights, and optimize rates. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.